How to remove unknown devices from Facebook. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can remove unknown devices from Facebook. So let's jump right in. To remove an unknown device from Facebook, first locate your Facebook app and then open it up. After you're on your Facebook, tap on your profile icon or the menu icon on the top right. After you do that, then tap on your settings icon. And after you're on your settings and privacy, you'll need to go to Account Center. After you're on your Account Center, head over to Password and Security, which you'll find under Account Settings. After you've done that, you will then need to find where you're logged in. Tap on where you're logged in. And after you've done that, you will then need to choose an account. Then from here, locate the option that is the unknown account, unknown devices. So select the unknown device. Then after you select that, you can then remove it. So tap on logout. And after you tap on logout, you will have removed the unknown device from Facebook. And that's basically it for today's video. That's how simple it is. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. And if you found the video useful, just head down below and hit the like button and stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.